Welcome back to my channel. We are working on the single cab Chevy and we're doing some more maintenance on it since it's an old truck and it needs so much things. But one thing we're gonna do today is some spark plugs, ignition coils, and wires. And this is what we are working with. We got our wires, our spark plugs, and our ignition coils. First thing we want to do, pop that hood. Alright, so I got the hood open and here's what we are working with. So we got our coil packs right there. Follow the wires down there. It'll be the spark plugs that are in there. If you guys are just gonna do your spark plugs, I highly recommend you just at least get some wires, because I mean, at least for me, I'm at least gonna rip 2 of these wires taking them off, because sometimes they get stuck on there real good. Here are our old spark plugs. They show some age, but they honestly don't look that bad. And look, this is what I was saying about ripping the wires. I was able to save 3, but this one is long gone. So we got all 4 spark plugs off on this side. We got our wires off. All we need to do is get our coil packs off. I'm just gonna disconnect them and just take off the whole bracket. Since I have this off already, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it since it's all full of debris and grease. There she go. That's how she looks like, ready to go. So we got one side fully done, and look at how pretty that looks. But yeah, hopefully this thing runs a little better. And now it is time for this side, which there's more annoying stuff in the way, and that last spark plug is a little more to the edge, and this canister is a little in the way, so it's a little harder to get to, but not impossible. And then there you go, that's that side all done and nice. Now this thing is gonna purr like a kitten. Couldn't get the best shots of what I was doing and everything because it's such a tight spot, and my camera stand doesn't go as high. I couldn't really get a good angle in here, but there she is, all good and done. So that's pretty much it. Nice quick little maintenance video on the single cab. Next video is most likely gonna be suspension overhaul, and finally gonna do the 4-link in the rear and do a torsion bar delete up front as soon as I get everything. Just waiting on that, and then gonna upgrade all the control arms and ball joints and steering components. Just try to get everything new and freshened up, that way this thing rides brand new. But thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. I appreciate you guys. Hope you guys have a good one.
Thanks, it's on the beat.